This is a simple snake game built using Arduino and an OLED display. It has score tracking, level progression, and sound effects to make it more fun. You only need a few simple components to build this project. First, follow this wiring diagram carefully. Here is the real wiring after everything is connected. The OLED uses I2C, so only 2 data pins are required. 4 buttons are used to control the snake direction. The buzzer adds simple sound effects to the game. Upload the code to your Arduino board. Press any button to start the game. Use the buttons to control the snake. Eat the food to grow and increase your score. Every 5 points, the level increases and the game becomes faster. If you hit the wall or yourself, the game is over. Press any button to play again. Try building your own Arduino Snake Game and have fun learning.